Namaste, it's Ellie. In this early morning, I have a short practice to wake up your body and start well your day. Let's begin in Sukhasana on the easy pose. Keep your spine nice and long. Close your eyes for a few moments, placing your hands on your thighs, soft. Relax your shoulders and follow your breath. Gently open your eyes, moving your head right, slowly and gently, and left. Stay with your breathing, looking up and looking down. Come back to the center. Arms on the side, palms facing up, inhaling, lifting up your arms over your head. Exhaling, lean on the left. Come back to the center, lean on the right. And again, on the left, on the right. Come back to the center. Right hand, left knee, left hand behind you. Inhaling, extend your spine, exhaling, twist on the left. Come back to the center, change arms. Come back to the center. Take 3 deep, long breaths through your nose, down to your belly. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Another one. Change position of your legs. Place your hands on your shoulders, keeping your spine nice and long. Lifting up your elbows and down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, looking up, exhaling, looking down. Other 2 times. And rotate your shoulders a few times, slowly and gently, waking up your body in both directions. Come back to the center. Release your arms and your hands on the side. Drop your left ear to the left shoulder. Come back to the center. Right ear, right shoulder. And again. Move gently. It's still early in the morning and your body is stiff. Place your hands in front of you. Walk your hands. Extend your spine, lengthening your spine. You can drop your head down while you are keeping straight your spine. Breathe. And slowly come back. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, long breaths through your nose. Gently open your eyes. Thank you. Enjoy your day.